In a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a family unlike any other. The Smiths, as they were known, were renowned for their unwavering love and support for one another. Their story is a testament to the profound value of family bonds. The Smith family consisted of John and Sarah, loving parents, and their 3 children. Emily, the eldest, wise beyond her years. Michael, the middle child, with a heart full of compassion. And Lily, the youngest, whose laughter could light up the darkest of days. Their home, a cozy cottage surrounded by a colorful garden, was more than just a place to live. It was a sanctuary, a place where love and laughter flowed freely, where hardships were faced together, and where dreams were nurtured. John, a hard-working carpenter, instilled in his children the values of dedication and perseverance. He often told them, "Life may not always be easy, but with family by your side, you can weather any storm." John's love for woodworking became a symbol of his dedication to his family. He crafted a beautiful wooden family tree that hung proudly in their living room, with branches for each family member, a visual representation of their deep connections. Sarah, a gentle soul with a passion for cooking, taught her children that love was the secret ingredient in every recipe. She believed that a well-cooked meal had the power to heal not just hunger but also hearts. Their dining table was a place where they shared not just food but also their dreams, fears, and triumphs. Emily, the eldest, was a bookworm. She spent hours in the town's small library, exploring new worlds through the pages of books. Her love for reading inspired her siblings to cultivate a love for learning and curiosity. Emily often said, "The greatest treasure we have is each other, and the knowledge we gain makes us richer in spirit." Michael, the middle child, had a passion for music. He played the guitar and composed heartfelt songs that resonated with the emotions of his family. He believed that music had the power to mend hearts and bridge gaps. His songs were a source of solace and joy for the Smiths. Lily, the youngest, was the sunshine of the family. Her innocence and joy were infectious, and her laughter was a melody that brought smiles to their faces even in the darkest of times. Lily's belief was simple yet profound. Family is where love lives, and love is the most precious gift of all. The Smiths faced their fair share of challenges, as every family does. Financial difficulties, health crises, and personal struggles tested their bonds. But they always stood together, supporting and uplifting one another. John would often remind them, in the toughest moments, "Our love shines the brightest." One stormy night, tragedy struck. A terrible fire engulfed their beloved cottage, reducing it to ashes. The family lost everything: their home, possessions, and the wooden family tree that held so much sentimental value. It was a devastating blow that left them with nothing but each other. But as the saying goes, it's in the darkest skies that we see the brightest stars. The Smiths, now homeless, found shelter in the kindness of their neighbors and friends. The townsfolk rallied together, offering food, clothing, and a temporary place to stay. Despite the loss of their physical home and the family tree, the Smiths realized that their true home was not made of bricks and mortar. It was the love, support, and unwavering bonds that held them together. They decided to rebuild their lives, not with wood and nails, but with love, hope, and determination. With the help of their community, the Smiths found a new place to call home. They built new memories, planted a new garden, and started afresh. Michael composed a song titled, "The Threads of Love," which became their family anthem. Its lyrics celebrated their unbreakable bonds and the strength they found in one another. Over time, the Smiths recreated their family tree, not as a wooden structure, but as a living testament to their love and resilience. Each branch represented the unique qualities of every family member, and the roots symbolized their shared history and enduring connections. As the years passed, the Smiths faced life's ups and downs, but they knew that as long as they had each other, they were rich beyond measure. Their love, unity, and unwavering support for one another continued to be their greatest treasures. The story of the Smiths reminds us that family is not defined by blood alone but by the love, support, and shared experiences that bind us together. In the face of adversity, it's the strength of our family bonds that can help us rebuild our lives and find hope in the midst of despair. The Smiths' journey is a testament to the enduring power of love and the profound value of family.